I'm not gonna lie, sis. It's been 3 years. Just go ahead and put some clothes on, mama. Yeah, just go ahead and put some clothes on and cover up yourself. It's been 3 years. You've been naked on the gram. You've been naked on the book. You've been on in OnlyFans. You've been naked for the last 3-4 years. Pack it up. Pack it up. It's over. We're talking about, oh, well, I'm the table. Yeah, because that's all you have to offer is your vagina. And probably some oral sex. I don't know. You understand what I'm saying? But respectfully, a real man is not jacking that. Yeah, he gonna have sex with you. Why not? Because everybody else is. But nobody's marrying you. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I could talk about it. Why, Keish? Because I was one of those girls. Mad naked. And everybody, every man, every drug dealer, scammer, they wanted me, baby. And they had me. And guess what? They left me. One even left me with his baby. Oh, my. Cover it up, baby. Repent.